Hola my beauties, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Gurishq Kaur. Today we're getting ready to attend an influenza event, and don't worry, I didn't wear this but this beautiful quad set to the event. So this is from the Earth Rhythms event that I attended a while back. I'm gonna start with prepping my lips with some lip gloss. Well, here I had really dry and chapped lips that day, so I'm putting on some gloss so that by the end of it my lips are nice and hydrated. Moving on, I actually did my skincare, but like in the morning, this was evening time, so I just went ahead and wiped my face off of any impurities that it had with some toner. Here I'm using the Plum toner and just using a makeup towel. I'm just cleansing my face. Next up, my dry skin certainly needs a lot of hydration, and for that gonna go ahead with my absolute favorite trusted The Face Shop Collagen Moisturizer. I cannot live without this moisturizer. Any which ways, all the products that I'm using in this tutorial are like my absolute holy grail products, because these products look great on camera as well as, more importantly, look amazing in person. After my skin is nicely prepped, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. If you know me, you know I like to use an eyeshadow to do my brows. So I picked that cool toned brown from the Tati Beauty palette. You can use any cool toned brown eyeshadow and just filling in my brows. Doing your brows is so important. It just lifts your face in such a nice way. Like, do not skip doing your brows if you're doing a clean girl makeup look. Further, using the Clinique Concealer, I'm just carving them out to make it even extra sharp and nice. And a little unrelatable, but oh, you guys, I have missed talking to you all so much. Like, we haven't seen each other in such a long while now. I have been off YouTube for a million reasons, to say the least. A lot has been happening in the personal life, and I truly missed making videos, you guys. Only if you knew how much I missed it. Your girl's gonna be back now, giving a consistent, beautiful content that you enjoy. Thank you for everybody who just stayed with me throughout. I love you, and extending like the biggest, warmest hug out there. Okay, and now here I'm using the Earth Rhythm Tinted Lippie. So it's basically like a tinted lip and cheek product. I really like to use it as a cream blush. I like to use it underneath my foundation as a natural cream blush, and then further I also like to pack on some powder blush to make it a really long lasting blush. Next up, I chose the Colourpop Hydrating Foundation. It's their HA Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. It looks so beautiful on the skin, absolutely skin like. I even skipped concealer and just went ahead with the foundation. I'm not going all over the cream blush here. If you see, I'm just doing it more so over like around my mouth and underneath the eyes. That's all where I'm placing the foundation and letting that flush and glow of the tinted lippie come through. Next up, here I'm setting my face with, again, my absolute favorite baking powder. So it's a setting powder. It's the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Banana Powder. Iski finish itni sundar hai. It just gives the most blurred, beautiful finish. This is actually one of those high-end products that I love to repurchase all the time, because I just can't do without it, especially in person. Stunning, does not look like powder at all. Just going ahead with my beauty blender once again to ensure everything is nice and blended. Further, to make the face look like a 3D figure again, I'm using a bronzer. This is the Kiko Milano bronzer in the variant 05. It's a very neutral toned bronzer, neither too warm, neither too cool. And I really like to just bronze up my face with it, all across the perimeters of my face. Forehead, cheekbones, my jawline. I really like to chisel it out. Next, my loves, this blush. Oh my god, this is the only blush that I've actually like repurchased, I guess 2 to 3 times by now, and I like finished up this blush so many times. The only blush I wear whenever you see me in person, this is the blush I'm wearing. It's the Ciaté London Glow to Illuminating blush. I am pretty obsessed with this blush. It's in the variant Summer Love, and what I like to do is, when I'm not doing an eyeshadow look, also pat it on the outer corners of my eyes just with the same blush brush, and it gives a beautiful look. Further, since I was not doing lashes, I wanted to keep the makeup rather simple, as it was a skincare event essentially. So I wanted to do the classic clean girl makeup look. Thereby I'm here just curling up my lashes. I'm gonna add loads and loads of mascara later. Next up, for the highlighter, I skipped the face and just placed a little bit of highlighter on the high points of my nose. the bridge as well as the tip of the nose, since I did have some texture on my face, so I skipped highlighter overall. Next, to enhance the eyes just a tad, but I'm using the same bronzer with an angular brush and placing the bronzer very close to my lash line. It just gives the appearance of a thicker lash band. Now I'm using the makeup towel to actually remove and sort of scrub my lips in a way. It actually did get off all the dead skin that was developed on my lips and just left my lips super soft and plump. Oh my god, now again, I absolutely love these liquid lipsticks. Like, why is nobody talking about it? Excuse me. I'm using the Simply Nam Hydrating Lip Butters. I used a deeper brown variant, that is Munna, and then filled it up with a lighter pinky nude variant, that is Shikha. It gives the most stunning nude lip combo ever, but I was still feeling like adding a little bit of pink, so what I did is I went ahead with the Lakme like eyeshadow palette, picked up that pink eyeshadow shade and just popped it in the most inner part of my lip. It gave such a nice fleshy nude lip look, like it's just such a healthy nude lip. And then to set the face, again, this setting spray is the deal. Like, the best setting spray actually makes your makeup last. It's the Milano Make It Last setting spray, you guys. Now I'm just gonna change into my beautiful quad set. This is by an Instagram page, Chubby Chicks Clothing. I am so happy that I bought it. It's one of my favorite pieces of lately. I just felt so good in this outfit and the whole vibe in general. Further, just went ahead and actually put on loads and loads of mascara. Here I'm using the Gucci Beauty mascara just because I have it, but it's actually a very good mascara, not gonna lie that. Last but not the least, added some white coal, a lot of mascara, and there we have it, a beautiful clean girl makeup look. Just love it, feeling so fresh, so clean, so presentable. Okay, now I gotta go, I guess. Bye.